Hey guys, thinking about using Afterpay through Cash App? So here's exactly how it works and what you need to know before you click that buy button. So guys, Cash App partners with Afterpay to let you split purchases into 4 interest-free payments paid every 2 weeks. So here's how to use it. You need to open your Cash App and tap the Buy Now Pay Later option. Browse available Afterpay merchants directly within the app. At checkout, choose Afterpay and approve the payment schedule. Your first payment is due immediately, and the rest also draft every two weeks. You can track all your installment dates inside Cash App. Now, things to know. Spending limits vary based on your account history and credit. You may not qualify for large purchases right away. Missed payments can lead to late fees or getting blocked from future Afterpay use. And no, you can't use Afterpay everywhere. Only participating retailers are eligible, both in-store and online. So, if you're shopping and want to split the cost without interest, Cash App's Afterpay option is convenient, but make sure you can keep up with the payment schedule. Like and subscribe for more quick finance tips, and let me know if you want a comparison between Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm next. Thank you for watching.